Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to show you, literally got back home from grocery shopping and this was one of the snacks that I bought. They're Trader Joe's organic mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. You don't have to buy these at just Trader Joe's. They have them online and stuff. Actually, I do have a Trader Joe's by me, but you can get them pretty much anywhere online for the most part, I believe. These are great. They're probably a lot better than like the Ritz peanut butter crackers and cheese sandwich crackers that, you know, you probably used to have as a child and stuff like that. I know my mom used to pack me like, I think they were Keebler peanut butter sandwich crackers, and I always loved them. And I think that this is just like a healthier option. Honestly, like anything Trader Joe's makes that I try, I'm always obsessed with. I really haven't had anything from their brand that I've tried and I've been like, it's okay. No, I really like everything, and they have like such cool stuff that, you know, like just healthier versions of stuff. Like I love Pop-Tarts. I could go there and get like a healthy organic Pop-Tart, and it's like, yeah, it might be high in carbs and stuff, but the ingredients are all pretty natural for the most part. And I just think that this is something that you can feel better about eating, and you could feel better about giving to your kids. Like I'm literally so obsessed. These are so good that I live 5 minutes away from Trader Joe's, okay? And I already went through half the box. I was hungry, but I just, out of all the groceries that I bought, I had to open up these sandwich crackers. I'm trying to get this out of the box just so I could show you guys. Okay, I ate half the bag. I know, it's gross. I was hungry, and these are just like my most favorite snack in the world. They're so good. So, Trader Joe's mini peanut butter sandwich crackers, they have them in cheese too, which I'll have to do another video on because the cheese ones are amazing as well. They are USDA organic, made from specially selected organic ingredients, smooth, creamy peanut butter nestled between two crispy golden brown organic crackers. So two of my favorite things in the whole world, peanut butter and crackers. I love both, and to have it both together is like heaven. 7.5 ounces. No hydrogenated oils. Sorry, it's been a long day. And they have like this. I like when companies put like cute little things on the side of the box or on the back of the box. Still with us? Excellent. Now take your other hand and twist off the top. Then, and this is the fun part, eat the peanut butter right off the bottom cracker and finish it all with the crunchiness of the crackers. Don't worry if anyone's looking. Just do it. That's true. I'm 28 years old and I still do that. It's like I've been doing when I was a little kid. Want to feel like a kid again? Would you believe we can make it happen in less than a minute? It's true. Here's the plan. Take a Trader Joe's organic mini peanut butter sandwich cracker in one hand. Got it? Good. Now turn the box to see how it all comes together. Oh, I guess I should have read that part first and then that part after, but you get the gist. I hope you get the gist. So here we have the nutrition facts. Serving size about 12 crackers, and I probably just ate 3 of them because they're just too good to like leave alone. Total fat 7 grams, saturated fat 2 grams, sodium 190 milligrams, total carbs 17 grams, sugars 3 grams, fiber 2 grams, protein 2 grams. And we have, what does it say on the back? Trader Joe's organic mini peanut butter crackers are made from specially selected organic ingredients. We've taken smooth, creamy peanut butter and nestled it between 2 crispy golden brown organic crackers to create a delightful tasting snack cracker. This classic combination makes a great addition to soups, salads, and lunches, or enjoy them on their own right out of the box, just like I did. But yeah, I would definitely like pack this like in my lunch or my husband's lunch, or if I had children in their lunch in the future. Contains milk, wheat, peanut, may contain traces of soy and coconut, so just got to be careful if you have any of those types of allergies. Ingredients: organic wheat flour, organic sunflower oil, organic cane sugar, organic peanut butter, organic dry roasted peanuts, organic palm oil, salt, organic palm oil, sea salt, organic malted barley extract, leavening, microbial enzyme, organic non-fat dried milk, peanut flavor, canola oil, sesame oil, roasted peanut extract. Take one out of here so you guys can look at the yumminess. And they're small, like they are tiny, so they're not as big as like Keebler and what's the other one I mentioned, like the Ritz ones, like Ritz Bits. I took the top off and I'm eating it. You can see the peanut butter inside. It's smooth. It's not like the crunchy peanut butter. OMG. It is so yummy. I am so obsessed. Literally the perfect snack for anything. But I just do with the kids. That's a good amount that comes in here for sure. So delicious. So if you guys are looking for a great snack that you could feel good about eating and not have to feel guilty about, Trader Joe's organic mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. Hope you guys try them and love them. See you later, and thank you for watching.